What is the process to withdraw money using my account number?
Welcome to our video on how to withdraw money using your account number. Today, we're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure you can easily access your funds when you need them. Remember, knowing how to manage your money effectively is an important skill, and the first step is understanding how to use your account number for transactions.
What is an account number?
An account number is a unique string of numbers and, sometimes, letters assigned to your bank account by your financial institution. It's essentially your account's ID and is necessary for all sorts of financial transactions, including withdrawing money.
How to find your account number?
Before you can withdraw money using your account number, you need to know where to find it. You can usually locate your account number in a few different ways. On your checks, the account number is typically found at the bottom of your check. On your account statements, most banks list the account number at the top of your monthly statement. Online banking or mobile app, after logging in, you should be able to find your account number under account information or similar section.
How to withdraw money using your account number?
Once you have your account number, you're ready to withdraw money. Here are the steps you might typically follow. 1. Visit your bank's branch. In order to withdraw money using your account number, you will typically need to visit your bank's branch in person. 2. Fill out a withdrawal slip. This slip usually asks for your account number, the date, and the amount of money you wish to withdraw. 3. Present identification. You'll also need to present a valid form of identification to verify your identity. 4. Submit the slip. Hand your completed withdrawal slip and your ID to the teller. 5. Collect your money. Once the teller has processed your withdrawal, they will give you the requested money.
Can I use my account number to withdraw money online?
With the advent of technology, some banks offer the convenience of online withdrawals. You typically need to log into your bank's website or app and then follow the prompts to transfer money from your account to another account or to request a check. Remember, online transactions also require your account number, and sometimes additional security measures like one-time passcodes or multi-factor authentication. That concludes our tutorial on how to withdraw money using your account number. We hope this video has helped clarify the process for you. Always remember, your account number is a crucial piece of information, so keep it secure. Be smart about your money and make the most out of your banking experience. Thanks for watching.